Hi, I'm Kyoko Takeyama, and I'm a speaker, trainer, and communication coach. I train professionals to become conscious communicators for organizations such as IESE Business School, University of Barcelona, and TEDxTIU. I've also given keynote speeches for events such as Digital Design Days and the Norwegian Communication Association. Many creatives have difficulty speaking publicly about their expertise. My job is to teach them how to emotionally and intellectually connect with their audience so their careers grow. I help my clients find the beauty they have inside of them, which is the first step to find the confidence you need to communicate your ideas effectively.
You want to know how?
In this Domestika course, you will learn how to talk about your creative expertise confidently and efficiently for career growth. For the final project, you will create a 1-minute video presenting yourself to an audience. First, I'll teach you how to treat all types of communication like a story and identify your strengths as a creative expert. You also need to understand your audience and clarify your purpose. Then we can start writing. Here you will learn how thinking outside of the box is great for connecting ideas and getting your creativity flowing. You'll learn how to talk about what you do in a simple and concise way. We will also work on delivery to ensure that our speech is unforgettable. When it's ready for presentation, we will shoot our video and then review it. Finally, I'll explain how to expand your story and translate your presentation pitch into other daily situations. At the end of this course, you will learn how to communicate with clarity and confidence across a range of different scenarios. To follow my steps, you only need a smartphone and a tripod. Discover the speaker inside of you.